When iOS 18 is released, users may downgrade to iOS 17 due to crashes. Can you downgrade safely without losing data? This guide shows you how to keep your data intact while downgrading. Let's start. Part 1. Is it possible to downgrade iOS 18 to 17 on iPhone and iPad? Yes, you can downgrade from iOS 18 to iOS 17, since Apple is signing iOS 17, 5.1. Uninstall iOS 18 beta and download the iOS 17 IPSA file for your iPhone. We'll provide instructions using iTunes or Finder or a trusted downgrade tool. Part 2. Best 4 methods to downgrade iOS 18 to 17 on iPhone and iPad. Way 1. Downgrade iOS 18 to 17 with iOS system recovery. To downgrade from iOS 18 to iOS 17 easily and quickly, you can rely on the essential tool iOS system recovery. Step 1. Download iOS system recovery on a computer. Open it after the installation and select iOS system recovery. Next, attach your iPhone to the computer via USB and tap Trust on your iPhone to get your device recognized. Step 2. Click the Start button on the screen to continue. Step 3. Pick the Standard mode. Check the basic information of your iPhone and click Optimize. Step 4. The tool will verify your device information. Modify it if needed, then select the compatible iOS version and click Next to download the firmware. Your iPhone will then downgrade to iOS 17. Way 2. Downgrade from iOS 18 with iTunes Finder. Step 1. Download the IPSA file. Visit the IPSA website, select your iPhone model, and download iOS 17, 5.1. Step 2. Enter recovery mode. iPhone 8X 11 12 13 14 15 16. Press volume up, then down. Hold the side button until recovery mode appears. Step 3. Downgrade iOS using iTunes. Connect your iPhone to your computer and open iTunes. It will recognize your device in recovery mode. On Windows, hold Shift. On Mac, hold Option while clicking Restore. Select the downloaded IPSA file and click Restore to start. Way 3. Go back to iOS 17 from 18 by Settings. Connect your iPhone to your computer and open iTunes. It will recognize your device in recovery mode. On Windows, hold Shift. On Mac, hold Option while clicking Restore. Select the downloaded IPSA file and click Restore to start. Way 4. Downgrade iOS 18 to iOS 17 with beta profiles. Open Safari and download the iOS 17.5.1 profile from Beta Profiles. In Settings, tap Profiles Downloaded to install it. Then go to Settings, General, Software Update, and tap Download and Install to downgrade to iOS 17.